Hi, my name is Fatih Nar. I'm Distinguished Architect at Red Hat Telecom CTO office. Today we're going to look at our upgraded or revised version of Autonomous Networks demo with Agentic approach. What you're seeing here today is our solution, which we're going to go briefly over on each component shortly. So we are pulling the model from Red Hat Catalog model and pushing into running the model through inferencing with using VLLM. And through that API access, we can directly query this model through API or curl command. But in our today's main demo is about using AI agents to implement 5G autonomous network, where we have AI agents doing the observations, issue detection, coming with the remediation plan and validation. So this AI agent using this MCP protocol towards our served model. So the basics, this is our repo, our sandbox environment mainly for 5G sandbox under our open experiments. You can go deploy this 5G deployment with the all CNFs inside together with the radio access network simulator. What this does is deploys these 5G core and starts a small traffic, and that traffic triggers the metric creation by each CNF, say AMF, SMF, UPN, and so on and so forth. And we are using Enterprise Observed experiments to collect that data through OpenTelemetry and pushing into Prometheus. From there, we are taken into as a data sync into our autonomous network experiment, which is here under Agentic approach here. And our OpenShift AI is our holy grail of application platform together with the AI. And if I go to model catalog, from model catalog, we picked up the model and deployed and right now running in our project, GMAX project. Here's our model. Okay. And if I just go quickly test this execution or the inference with this model is quickly, let me clear this up and run this curl command against our serving model, which is the Mistral 7B model. Let's see if it's still up and running and see if the GPU is loaded. As you see, GPU being loaded with this model and model has answered properly. And then we're going to go to Workbench quickly in here, or maybe just show you the pods. This is the model serving pod. This is our Workbench pod. This is our Workbench where we have our new agentic approach here running on a CLI level. As you see, the logs are flying. And this is the new web UI for our agentic approach for the autonomous 5G network. What you see is the metrics, real-time metrics being presented by means of for AMF, SMF, and UPF for registration success rate, session success rate, or establishment rate, as well as UPF metrics showing the latency of the data pipeline. Anomaly detection, now how many anomalies being detected throughout these metrics. Autonomous operations is showing how many autonomous operations workflow being executed so far. This is our agent topology. Each agent doing what it's supposed to do for diagnostics, planning, execution, and validation. And here we have the metrics from each agent, okay, and the active workflows showing what has been right now running. Say says there's an anomaly at UPF, and what it did is running the resource optimization playbook from our playbook folder to perform the issue remediation. So the whole purpose of this to show you how easily agentic approach can be implemented in various ways. Could be a multi-threaded application, could be a microservices, each pod talking to each other and leveraging the OpenShift AI backend for model serving and using the MCP protocol for toolbox access as well as root cause analysis. And also showing that we can also use playbooks, Ansible playbooks for issue remediation, as you will see in here, restarting the SMF or reconfiguring the AMF, as well as dealing with other issues through event-driven Ansible approach. I hope you like this. So if you like to do this locally on your environment, just go to our TelcoIX repo, clone it, and the demo will be available under Agentic approach here in this folder. Okay, it's actually already there. So we put it under the main new POI. This is if you run this as we will provide in the updated README file, you will be able to access this demo web UI. I hope you enjoy this and let us know your comments and can take it further together. Thank you so much for your time.